When you look at women in circus, you go back historically, circus was not always looked at in a positive light. And here you have, these women that come into a place where they have autonomy, where they have self-determination, where they don't have to play by the rules of society, where they get to be strong, where they get to be comfortable in their bodies and showing their bodies instead of Victorian, we don't have body, there's no body here, nobody home. And these women saying, I'm strong, I have a body, and I'm here. In my universe, the circus education universe, we are welcoming every body. Our culture does not celebrate large-bodied women, or it's changing, it's slowly changing. But in pyramid building, we need bigger-bodied people to be the bases. It's not that they're on the bottom because they're less important. They're on the bottom because they're holding up the whole thing. Like they are the strong ones. And so strong is the new sexy, right? So here's an opportunity for a girl who sees her size, a large size, as a disability, to turn it, transform it into an asset. And juggling is open to her, unicycling is open to her, like so many of the skills. They just need to be able to see themselves doing that. So girls have an opportunity to be strong, to be who they fully are. They don't have to hide anything when they're in circus. And they have autonomy to determine what they participate in and what they don't participate in. That is not delineated by gender. I think that's hugely empowered. And so I would love to say to the girls out there, circus, yep.